My son's been wearing cheap barefoot water shoes for school in the summer and black Merrell trail trainers for school in the winter, but he was definitely in need of some warmer shoes, so I reluctantly paid £60 for a proper pair of barefoot school shoes to keep his poor little white feet a little warmer. I found these Froddos on Amazon from a stockist in northwest England. Good to know, there's a shop within an hour's drive from me with a barefoot shoe selection. They start in sizes UK 7.5 to a 4. These ones are a size 2.5 and they are described as having a soft supple leather and a mesh textile upper and a leather and microfiber lining, have a removable flat slimline microfiber footbed and have 2 fully adjustable velcro strap fastenings to keep the shoe secure and fully flexible. The rubber sole is ultra lightweight with extra grip tread that mimics being barefoot, with a wider, rounder toe box to encourage natural foot movement. First impressions, the shoe looks and feels as described. They seem well made and are true to size. They're not as flexible and bendy as he's used to when wearing his trainers, but once worn in I think they'll be just fine. His first day of wearing them, he did say they were a bit sore on the bottom of his heel, so we'll have to see how he gets on with them in a future video.